Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is another absolutely stunning stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper, which I purchased from Nail.supplies, which is the UK stockist for Clear Jelly Stamper. And you can find the information on this plate in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. This plate is CJS-48 and it's called Sweet Swirl, and it has to be my favourite out of all of the ones that I have. It is full of amazing layering designs, as I explained in my last video, taking say this image here and placing down and then following the next one on top of it. They normally work left to right, but sometimes they are above and below. This plate has also got some open space areas as well, which can be tricky. There is, however, just some normal designs as well, which aren't layered, but this plate has some really small designs as well. And then this moon design here has 3 layers to it. It's just working out how each design works, but once I saw this plate on Instagram, I just knew it had to be in my collection. I'll be using my normal scraper along with the Clear Jelly Stamper polishes that I own and 2 stampers, and these are my small clear stamper and my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and I'll just be using the clear part. I've also got 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll begin with this first image, which I'm going to use the white and black stamping polishes with, and I'll be using the purple nail tip. I'm going to lay the black down first, and I am using a little more polish. With Clear Jelly Stamper plates, I'm finding them more deeply engraved, so the extra polish does seem to help. I'm then going to go in with the white for the flowers. Now, I do have a video on the Clear Jelly Stamper polishes that I have. You can find that video in my Clear Jelly Stamper playlist. And these 2 images look stunning, just so pretty. I'm now going to go for this design here, and I'm going to use the white again for the top layer. However, for the bottom layer, I'm going to use a Born Pretty stamping polish for the first layer. These open spaces can be tricky, and I do have a video on these types of spaces. I'll try to leave a link in the description box for that video. But I'll make sure that my scraper is as flat as I can possibly get it, and I scrape super slow as well. This for me just seems to help get it all in that little space. I love the different shades of brown together. I think they look beautiful. I'm now going to go in with the white over the top for the swirly part of the image. Now, as I look at the nail when it's finished, I'm not sure the white was the best choice for the top layer. I do wonder if I should have gone for like a gold or something, but I actually do really quite like the nail. I think it looks really pretty. I'm now going to switch to my small clear stamper, and I'll be using the red nail tip this time, and I'm going to be taking 2 small images, and I'm going to start with this one over here, and I'm going to be using the white and black again. Now, I really do need some more Clear Jelly Stamper polishes. I just seem to be using the same ones over and over again, which isn't a problem for me. I like white and black. Now, I have found with these small images that are on the side, if I scrape over the side like I am here, I seem to pick up less unwanted bits on the stamper, which is a bonus, I suppose. But any unwanted bits I will remove with my lint roller anyway. Now, I do want to say sorry if I do go out of shot. I'm still very new to this type of swatching, and it's getting the hang of it. If you missed my last video, which was another Clear Jelly Stamper plate, I have seemed to have a bit of a change around with my video format, and from the first video it seems that it was very positive, that you all liked it. So for the second small image, I'm going to stay with the same colours. Now going for this small one over here that's further down, there really is some great images on this plate. Hopefully you're also seeing me swatch very differently now as well, so you can sort of see how I work more. You might have noticed that I store everything in my hands, like the nail tip, the scraper, the stamper. I like to keep things close. I just find it much easier than having everything spread all over the place. Now I really like how these two little ones have come out, and they were really easy to do as well. And for my final nail tip, I'm actually going to be going back to my big stamper, and I'm going to be using one of the normal designs. I'm also going to be using the sparkly green stamping polish, Glitzy Evergreen number 61, which is such a pretty colour, and I'm going to be using a green nail tip. And I have to say, I love the green on green combo. This is definitely a combo that I want to do on myself actually. And here are the final 4 nail tips. They're all very different, but I really like them. I think my favourite is either the brown or the green nail tip. Can't quite make up my mind. So onto my photo swatches, and as always I've swatched every image, which has created 17 swatches in total. And I love the mix of designs on this plate, from the small to the large normal to the large layered. There really is so much on this plate. Now I didn't say this in my first video, but I would actually use some of the images which are meant for layering on their own. And I'll give an example. The brown nail tip that I created in the live swatch that you've just seen, I would actually use the top layer, so the white part, on my nail just on its own, because I think it looks beautiful. I don't just see a layering plate. For me it's more than that, which I just love. Now I just wanted to say thank you to the lovely people who left me comments on my new layout of my videos. I am constantly working on my channel, so things do change from time to time, so thank you for taking the time to write them lovely comments. I'm loving the Clear Jelly Stamper plates. They are just brilliant to work with. It will definitely be a brand that will be coming to my channel a lot more over the next year or so, which hopefully means that I will get better and better at this layering stamping. Overall though, I really like how these swatches have turned out. From the live nail tips to the photo swatches, this plate has been amazing to work with. There will definitely be a lot of manis coming from this plate. Onto the mani. So I loved the brown nail tip design and the swatch photo I did, that I wanted to turn it actually into a mani, and this is the outcome. So I used a rose gold colour nail polish as the base and a light gold for the open space, and then I used the dark brown stamping polish for the top layer, and this I put on my ring finger and thumb. For the index and middle finger, I did a gradient from the dark brown to the light gold. Now it did work, but you can't really see it in the photo. It's more in person that you can see it. But I don't usually do these colour combos like this one on myself. But yeah, I love this one. I was very happy with how this has come out. And if you want any more product in details on what I've used for the mani, this will be over on my Instagram page very soon. So thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper stamping plate CJS-48 Sweet Swirl. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then I would love it if you could give me a thumbs up. Comment below, I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.